that has to be in the URL. So this is what's called a gateway, I suppose you could call it, where you're going to pile all of your remote functions into one component. And as well, I'm always going to use the JSON data type, so I put that up into my setup. So there I issue a setup command that says, from now on, whenever I do an AJAX command, use these as my default settings. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, if there's an error, then call this function, and jQuery knows, or JavaScript knows, to call this function and supply 3 parameters to it. Once again, obnoxious variable names so that you understand that you are the one that names these variables. These are not keywords. They're something that you can name. And however, this, for instance, would be a keyword. This is something that that comes inside of that first object variable. All right. When a success occurs and we do the following, we'll worry about that later. And now, so here we're going to say when an anchor tag is clicked inside of the states div, then we're going to find out what the state ID was that was clicked, and then we're going to, let's see here, what are we going to do? We're going to call the where state ID method, and we're going to supply it with the state ID, which I got from up here. So this is a keyword here. This is not something that you make up. It has to be the word data, and this is where your